this go outwards a little bit more. And I'm just going to add a couple more vertices here. Press A, subdivide, just makes it a little bit smoother. Now you'll notice that the vertices have gone in the middle here. So what I'm going to do with those is just come on to this one right here. Select anything that's on the inside. Pull that back and then scale it down. Just drag that back on the inside. So now we have no vertices on the inside of the cup. Also with this side, I don't like how smooth it is, so I'm just going to go into the modifiers. Let's go to smooth. I just smooth that out just a little bit. And there we go. That is the basic coffee cup kind of design that you guys can do. With that bit smaller, you guys could probably make this a lot neater, but this is the way that I was taught to do my basic coffee cups. So you've got nothing on the inside, but you have the handle on the outside. That will make a basic prop if you're putting that in your background. Something basically that people might not notice as much. You could stick that on a shelf or something. It's just a kind of room filler, if you will. So yeah, thank you for watching this tutorial, and we'll be working on the next one. Bye.